This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about bottles, specifically these nostalgic glass swing top bottles. These round bottles come in 3 sizes: the small 9 ounce, medium 17 ounce, and large 34 ounce. The premium glass bottles are reusable. The caps are attached to the bottle by that wire swing mechanism. And you can see you just want to put that little stopper in place, push down to seal, and when you're ready to open, you just flip up. And it's easy to access whatever you've got inside. These are great for the service of sauces, things like homemade hot sauce, even water or other beverages. They make for a nice, stylish service and display, whether it's something that's out on tables like a hot sauce, or just something like a nice tall bottle of lemonade that you're going to include in a picnic basket. They're a great way to upgrade the look of your drink service, even if all you're doing is putting out flat water on the tables. They're perfect for juice, tea, lemonade, freshly made sodas, sparkling water, sauces, syrups, and even your homemade hot sauce. They're great for any establishment looking to add a little old world charm to their drink service.